Welcome to the Fun Rain Story. Look up at the sky. The clouds are getting big and gray. Do you know what that means? Rain helps the trees, the flowers, and even little bugs get a big drink of water. And guess what? Rain means fun. Grab your boots and your umbrella. Let's go splashing. Puddle jumping is the best part. Splash! Let's see how high you can jump. Look around. The rain helps flowers grow big and break. And sometimes, when the rain is done, you might see a rainbow. Rain makes everything happy. Trees get greener, and the earth feels fresh and clean. When the rain stops, the sun comes out to say hello. But don't worry, the rain will be back for another adventure.